Dude, you know that a common weed growing in your backyard might be more powerful than modern medicine? Scientists found that dandelion root extract, yep, the same wish flower you blow on as a kid. It can wipe out over 90% of colon cancer cells in just 48 hours without harming healthy ones. That's insane. For decades, people saw dandelions as useless weeds. But nature was hiding a potential medical game changer right under our feet. Imagine a flower you mow over could hold the key to fighting one of the deadliest diseases on Earth. Smash that like button if your mind is blown, and subscribe for more shocking facts nature doesn't want you to ignore. Share this with your friends and ask them,